How to fix Badoo password reset not working. So if you open up your Badoo application and if you go for your forgot password, or if you try to reset your password or recover your password, and if it's not working, then what you can do is you can simply remove that, and then you can open up your settings for now. And once you've opened, tap on apps and notifications and open up your Badoo application. And once you've done that, go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that. Open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go for the search bar and search for Badoo. Once you've searched that, here if you have an update option, tap on update so that your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. And after doing all of that, you can open up your Badoo application once again and go for forgot your password and tap on continue. And here you need to enter the code so simply enter the code and then continue. And here you need to verify it's you. So go for your email and then you will get a code, and once you enter that code, you can simply tap on continue. And after that, you need to enter your new password and your password will be reset. So that's how you reset your password, and that's how you fix your reset password not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.